Shake your hands, Mr. Courtney. Let's go.
Talking to you.
Yeah, what you got over there? You have a little bit of an echo on your phone, huh? Earpiece appears to be functional.
You want me to call you and then...
Yeah. Test speakerphone. Hello, can you hear me?
Just to be sure, I didn't get that. You have a question about getting a new phone or leasing order?
Test speakerphone.
For verification, please enter or say your passcode or say I don't have it.
I don't have it.
Looks like there's a wait. An expert will assist you in about 30 minutes. Press 1 to keep your place in line and get a call back on this number. Otherwise, stay on the line and we'll get you to an expert as soon as possible.
You want me to wait 30 minutes?
About your experience. So, you can record this call.
Okay. It's a little staticky in the speaker. Must be a computer because it didn't sound like a regular person. Do you think you have it about 5-10 years now? Or 5 years, you said? Okay. Just clearing the earpiece.
Information is available at the T-Mobile app, online at T-Mobile.com, which is the order status at the main menu, right here within our automated function.
Okay.
Hi, Howard. So tell me, for example,
Let's see who the carrier is. Oh wait, it said T-Mobile in the call earlier, so we don't need to check on that. Plus, it says here too, T-Mobile. Is the data and critical important for you, sir? Is the data and like pictures and contacts on here important to preserve? And how many contacts do you have on this phone? Probably like 20, 30?
No.
5, 10 contacts. 10 contacts on here. That's important, huh? That's it. All right.